Hey everyone, this is Gil here with Gray Man Prepping. And Camppatton Family Compound. Got an unboxing here. I think you can see it in the camera, it's big. Let me get out my everyday carry here. And I bet this box, Oliver tries to climb inside of this one as well as he did the last big one I had when I did the last propane tank unboxing I did. Okay, so this is something I ordered because years ago, after my mom passed away, she left us her one of these, and that was back in 2008. So, get in here and lift it out of here, set off the side, and time to get rid of this box. Okay, so now we got this one here. At least it has some packing in around this one. The last package I got on yesterday was to go with this, and they shipped it in its original box. You know, the box you'd see in the store, and they dropped it and broke the items that were in it, and so I'll include that little video at the end of this one because I recorded it, opened it, and found the stuff broken. And so, all right, I'm liking this better. Another box within the box. And even this one here has a dent on it here, but I didn't see any damage to that box. So this was warehouse damage. Let's see if I can get this out of here. It's coming. All right, let's get rid of that box. And get this one right side up. There we go. This box is all in good condition. Now this time the shipping was shipped UPS. The one yesterday that was damaged was shipped Amazon, using their in-house stuff with the people lazy and don't care about their work. So what this is, getting in here. All right, so we got the instructions for it. I know that was quick. You might have spotted what this is. Ah, lovely styrofoam. Set that off to the side. And go ahead and get rid of this box. Let's see. Yeah, taped on the bottom. Come on, please. There we go. Bread machine. Yes. So what arrived yesterday was a 3-pack of borosilicate glass loaf pans, and with plastic lids, and the lids were broken because, like I said, it was just one single box. This one had 3 boxes to protect this. The other one had 1 box, and it was dropped, and it was just, the box that we would have had in the store. So let me get this off of here. And they taped it. He really taped the wrapper over the cord on good, like, oh wow, we don't want to lose the cord, it's attached. So what we got here, got that. Set this off over here. Open this up. Good packing inside. Ooh, a measuring cup. And hang on, let me get this back open. Man, they really wrapped this up with tape. Every little thing is wrapped with a lot of tape. Make it hard to get into it. and twist it. They twist it, taped it back again. Jeez. It's like, whoa, it's diamonds. They may spill out. And so what do we got here? We got we got a measuring cup. We got, I guess, another type of measuring cup. We have the mixing paddle and the tool to remove the mixing paddle. More cardboard packing inside for whatever reason. And the loaf pan for the mixing pan, loaf pan, whatever combination for the 2-pound loaf. This is a 2-pound machine here. There we go. That goes back in there. So that's what it looks like inside. And well, that's what the bottom looks like. And right now I can tell already. I went out earlier to check to see if they brought it. It hadn't come yet. That was several hours ago. I guess he came right after I did it because everything in here is so cold that it's what little humidity there is in here is condensing on the machine here. So I'm going to leave it open so it can warm up and do that. I'll be doing this, and this has a whole bunch of different options on it. I'll do another video actually using it, talking more about it, but it's got like I can see, I don't have my glasses on, but it talked about low gluten breads and all the different types of stuff on it. It had like 6 different types of bread you can run through it, plus just mixing only, where you use it just as a mixer and you can pull it out and bake it in the oven if you want. So I'm going to leave this here open here for now, and I will include at the end the unboxing from the loaf pans that had the broken lids on them. So with that, baked bread makes everybody feel better. Hey everyone, Gil, a Gray Man Prepping. Got something, had a unboxing here to do. So get my everyday carry out of my pocket here and open this up. And let's see, this is going to be kind of interesting because they didn't put the box in a protective box for what it has inside. So I leveled that, and then I got a couple of lids here. Set those over here. Oh man, this thing's jammed together. Not good. All right, so here we go. Here's a lid on this one here. I'll just set this one here off to the side since pull out the next one. There we go. That came apart easier. Now these are what is it? 1.9 quart loaf pans. Glass, obviously, but they're the bellows. Borosilicate glass, which is the same stuff that all the good canning jars and Pyrex used to be made of before they got bought up by other interests. And actually, Pyrex Europe is still made with it, just that in the United States they decide to dink us over and go with cheap ones. That's why you heard all the tales of the glass pans exploding and stuff when you put them on counters and stuff. But this is the borosilicate. Yeah. It's in the description below, as well as the link on where I got these from. So I got, that's the second one, and then here is the third one. At least the bottom had a nice cushion on it. I mean, Let me show you something. This is, all these look okay so far. But looking at the box here, I don't know if you can see that, the damage here. And I can stick my little finger in from the outside, and oh, hang on a minute. We have a broken lid cover. So, yes, this one here is broken. So I've got to contact them and see about getting them to replace that. Alrighty, we'll see what's going on. I'll give you an update when I find out how they're going to replace it. And these other two here are good. It's the one that was stuck on the lid that's broken. All right, well, let me go find out what's going on.